sugarcane farmers' agitation in Karnataka's Belagavi district has intensified as the protest, which is demanding rupees 3,500 per ton, enters its seventh day. Now, at least 29 sugar factories have been shut down as farmers escalate their agitation. In fact, in a major political push, BJP State President B.Y. Vijendra, he joined the protest at Gurlapur Cross, extending full support to the farmers who are protesting. The impact is spreading across the region. Schools, colleges, shops, as they remain shut in Athani town, while major highways including Dharwad, Athani and Judge Jambodi routes, they were blocked. Even the Lawyers Association in Belagavi boycotted court work in solidarity with the farmers. Now viewers, farmer groups here allege that the state government has succumbed to the sugar lobby's pressure, with top leaders set to control more than 25 sugar factories in Belagavi district. Farmers have warned clearly that if the government fails to announce the revised prices within 48 hours, they will intensify their stir, including national highway blockades coming up. So, the farmers' agitation in Karnataka seems to be intensifying. They've now given an ultimatum to the government, saying that if within the 48 hours the government fails to revise the prices, they will intensify the protests, including national highway blockades. In fact, the BJP has now also extended its support to the agitating farmers. Lawyers Association as well, they boycotted the court work in solidarity with the protesting farmers. Now, what's the issue here? Well, farmer groups allege that the state government has now succumbed to the sugar lobby's pressure, with leaders set to now control more than 25 sugar factories in Belagavi district. So clearly an issue which is focused on the farmers' grievances is now finding support across other occupations as well. The impact is spreading across regions, schools, colleges, shops have remained shut. And it seems like that the protest is likely to escalate if the government fails to deliver on the farmers' demands within the next 48 hours. Political support has also come in from BJP. BJP State President B.Y. Vijendra, he joined the protest, in fact, at Gurlapur Cross, extending his full support to the farmers.